This lesson is an example of painting patterns inside text, but it really is more about clipping. What happens with clipping is that you can define a specific region of the window to be the clip region, and then you can draw and paint all you want, but the only things that show up are the ones that fall inside that region. Now, the clip region is based on the definition of the diagram inside a general path object, and we've seen the several different ways that one of those can be made. In this example, a clip region is created by using the graphics of some letters. Now, this program is sort of a one-trick pony, but it's a very good trick. The only thing here is the paint method. We start off by creating an affine transform that's set to move the text to the middle of the window. We'll be using that here in just a minute. And to make sure that we have a nice large set of letters for filling, a font object with a point size of 180 is created. Here is the creation of the font render context object without an affine transform. And here is the creation of the text layout object. It's based on the font render context object, the font object, and the string of characters. The call to get outline produces a shape object from the text layout, and in the production of the shape is where the affine transform is applied. A general path object is then constructed to hold the outline of the shape. The winding rule is set to non-zero, so overlapping text will fill properly. Now, this call is made to set the clipping region of the window. Nothing is painted in the window by this call. What happens is the clipping region is set, and all future painting and drawing will be limited to the region inside this clipped area. These two loops do all the drawing. The first loop fills the entire window with horizontal lines, and the second loop fills the window with vertical lines. The entire window is filled with a grid work. That is, the current clip region is filled with a grid work. Here's the result. The background was set to gray, and the drawing is all made of black lines. None of the actual figures were drawn, but all the letters appear because their shape is filled with the horizontal and vertical lines. Once you set the clipping, you can draw anything you like anywhere, and only the portions inside the figure will actually appear.